Moin, this is just a quick 5-minute review, 3-minute review of the Tiffen Promised filters, the 1/8 and the quarter. Before we start, there's actually a difference between the black Promised and just the normal Promised filters, and I didn't know this as well before, but the black basically in front of it means it's better contrast, better black values compared to the normal Promised filters. Just to notice up front, because the normal Promised filters are a little bit cheaper than the black Promised ones. What these filters actually do is they soften your image, and a nice side effect is they create a nice gloom or bloom around light sources. To keep it short, the 1/8 is actually really great to have it always on, to always leave it on your lens, because it creates this kind of cinematic look, so you don't have as sharp edges with the digital camera. I kind of like that one. And the 1/4, the quarter one, is actually really good if you want to have like a stylized look, if you want to have a lot of flare going over your lens, and basically for that, for like dreamy sequences and fashion stuff, or where you overall prefer this look. And last but not least, I always bought the 77mm, which is like the widest lens I have right now for my 70-100 or for this 24-105. And then I got some step-down rings for the other lenses that I have. The only thing I want to tell you about that, to get better some dedicated step-down rings, not those cheap ones on Amazon. Mainly because out of one reason, the dedicated ones have some better gripes around the edges, or some structure, I don't know how you call it, and it's actually easier to take them on and off, and they're a little bit better in quality. Highly recommend that. Okay, and that's it already for this quick review. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye.